Here I have T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust a normal photo mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So as you can see right now I took 17 shots, and here we can review them and select the one that fits us best and delete others. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.